Well guys, I am here at an Exxon gas station right off of 355 in Germantown, Maryland. Out there is the Milestone Center. And we have a car wash. And I have no idea what this system looks like, but here's a look at the wash options. We have an Express for 9, Deluxe for 12, and an Ultimate for 15. So we'll choose the Ultimate.
Please have payment for your selection.
Set you guys on a dash. There we go. And the dollar amount kept going down. Press for receipt. 7.
Wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car.
Okay, so this right here is a Bellinger Condor, just like the one at the Shell gas station, not too far from here. I assume this replaced a Bellinger Freestyler, or maybe a Vector. I'm not too sure, honestly. Alright, pulling forward. There we go. I need a new camera. Door in front of me is opening. I don't know why. Good thing I made a switch to use my phone. practically out of the bay. Well, I gotta say, I've had some of the worst car wash luck I've ever anticipated. To paint the picture and tell you a story of what happened, I will go ahead and explain. So, I was at a Flagship Car Wash in Germantown, and that has a pair of Bellinger Sabre car washes, which I have never filmed. E-brakes away. Up on an incline currently. One of the Sabre car washes, the top wash was unavailable, as is the undercarriage wash, and the other bay was our service. So that was a no-go for me. Then I tried to go to another Sunoco in Germantown that was nearby the shoppers. That didn't go well either. Then I tried going to an Exxon right off of Germantown Road, and the car wash seemed to work, but the payment would not go through. Then I came here expecting something different, and well, it's safe to say I was able to film my second Bellinger Condor. Seems like that might have some potential, as well as the Wash World Razor. But let's see how this system performed. Up, there's some soap on the window right there. Oh well. And there's even, I don't know what kind of gunk that is. Just a little bit of soap in the windshield. At least I got the tires a good wash. I mean, look at this. That's clearly soap. Unbelievable. If the Jeep is not happy about the winter and how it all turned out, then the Jeep is not happy about soap left on the vehicle. Unbelievable. Well, hope you enjoyed this turnout that I've had here in Germantown. This has to be by far the worst car wash luck I've ever had in my career of driving. But I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you as always for watching, and that is it.